We made pork and chive dumplings for dinner tonight. Juicy, garlicky, and full of savory umami. Inspired by classic northern Chinese street food, they're crispy on the bottom, tender on top, and perfect with a tangy soy vinegar dip. Let's get started. In a small pan over medium heat, warm oil with Sichuan peppercorns, star anise, and garlic until the garlic turns golden and fragrant. In a blender or food processor, puree green onions, ginger, and water until silky smooth. Then in a mixing bowl, gradually combine the ground pork with the green onion ginger sauce, working in small batches so every bit of meat is evenly coated and full of flavor. Now for the seasoning. Add sugar, salt, a generous grind of black pepper, 5-spice powder, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. This mix gives the pork a deep savory base with a little sweetness and warmth. Then add the chives, about half a bag from the Asian grocery store, finely chopped so they blend right into the pork. Mix until the filling looks uniform. If this made you hungry, please subscribe or follow. Your support keeps us cooking and sharing more recipes like this. By now, the infused oil should be cool. Strain it into the pork filling, discard the spices and garlic, then mix everything together thoroughly. Time to make dumplings. Place a small spoonful of filling in the center of your wrapper. Dip a spoon or your finger in water and wet the top half of the wrapper's edge. Fold it in half to make a half moon. Then pinch the middle to seal. Now pleat just the top flap on one side, pressing each pleat down firmly as you go. When that side is done, repeat the pleats on the other side, always pressing to seal so nothing leaks out while cooking. Take a look at the edges and give them one last pinch to make sure everything is tightly closed. Each one might look a little different, and that's okay. Dumpling making is truly an art form. The more you practice, the better you'll get. We need more practice. Once your dumplings are wrapped, there are several ways to cook them. We pan-fried ours. Check out this handy infographic we created with a little AI help. In our next video, we'll walk you through each method, so stay tuned. Try this recipe for dinner tonight.
Please hit the subscribe button below.